Good evening. My name is Devanshu Pal and I am from IP. We have among us
My name is Balaji.
Mr. Balaji sir, and he will now introduce us about his profession.
I am currently working in the academic team at Chalu Education.
So moving on with this interview. So what is your job function right now?
See, currently my job function includes various roles that includes interacting with faculties and also at times interacting with students, assisting students with respect to their projects, with respect to their exams, with respect to lectures, and coordinating with faculties, with consultants, with people from the industry for engaging, for organizing various talks, seminars, and yes, obviously last but not the least, lectures for various international MBA programs and also domestic MBA programs that we have tied with as an organization.
How you got into this profession?
See, essentially I have done my MBA in marketing and I've had experience in sales prior to joining this organization, and simultaneously I've always had this passion for teaching and also to know what academic world is all about, what academics is all about, and always I had this curiosity to learn, understand, grasp, scrutinize information, interpret key findings, and I always had this research bent of mind. I never went on face value of anything. Okay, I always scrutinize, ask questions, more questions, till I got a convincing logical explanation.
So now the best part. So what is your best and worst experiences till now in your profession?
See, when it comes to best experiences, I have had many. I have many a times I have crossed. I have met the deadlines. I have performed to the expectations of my superiors. I have also played a supporting hand to my team members and also to my subordinates, and many best experiences that I can recall. Many times I have been given incentives. I have been given rewards, and I have also assisted our senior management also in certain important roles at a fixed period of time, although it is a limited period of time, and I have been appraised also quite frequently, I would say, and that has exceeded my expectations, and that has been one of my best experiences. As far as my worst experiences, yes, the good and the bad ones are all part of the game, and many times, yes, I have felt that I have not been able to meet the deadlines, and I've always taken the onus upon myself rather than playing the blame game. So I do regret over the fact that there have been certain environmental factors that has prevented me, or that has been a roadblock for me to achieve those deadlines, and I'm continuously working on how I can improve, how I can improvise, and how I can do better to meet those deadlines, and I'm sure that in going ahead I would do better.
So thank you sir. Thank you having you with us. Thank you sir.
Thank you for having me interviewed.